All right, guys, we got a 2018 Audi S5 in a rare green. Look at that. It's a nice color. I like it. It's different. What do you guys think? Got custom wheels on it. Just a sexy car. 38,000 miles. Barely driven. Got factory converters up there somewhere. There and there. Then 2 resonators there. Then we cut out the second resonator, the big one right there. Put dual in, dual out pipe in its place, because the resonator comes in dual in, dual out. And then we kept the factory mufflers out the back. You didn't want it too loud, so we kept the factory muffler there and there. There's the valve. So most of the time it only breathes through this side until it gets to a certain RPM, then it'll open right there. And there's the tips out the back right there. And there he's got custom tips on it. So we didn't have to change them or nothing. They look really clean, really nice. And then there's the resonator that was on it. It's dual in right there. And dual out right there. So that's the one we took out and replaced it with straight pipe. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Audi S5. Here we go. You want more? How much? Another 200. Drive it for a week, see if you want more sound. Yeah. Then we can take the top 2 out.
Okay.
Again? It's not too much, just clean. Your sound decibel, it's got a stage 1, 2, and 2. Right at 91. Again? I like it. All right, go ahead and back it up.
Cool.
Florida Gators. I love the color of it. That's different. She sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Audi S5 mid-resonator delete. Finished cleanly in olive green. I like it. You guys like it? Let me know. There she goes. Look at that thing fly. So good. Enjoy, guys.